People, and I buckle them, we're gonna try it now. Fingers crossed again.
Aside for the right now they present for and I create them. Aside we are tell about Top Chef. How to tell about Top Chef, we not talk about no Flap Chef. We are tell about Hot Chef. As I say right now they represent for life of a Jamaican chef. Really with a side. Life of a Jamaican chef and another regular type of Jamaican chef. You see me I say, and if you disbelieve.
What's good, Soulfly fam? You know it's your boy Henry back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar out here. Today I do it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Remember, tell a friend. Out here, we are doing it.
Stop crime and violence and just love each other. Each and every day make we just pray to the Father.
So yes folks, we are get right into the video. So today we are gonna do some soursop juice. We just try soursop juice with the boys them. So we have a condensed milk right here. So we have a soursop, you know, real Jamaican soursop. We're not gonna run nothing. We have a little sugar. So we are try them with the milk this time, cause you can't make the soursop juice with the milk or without the milk. You can use lime. Yeah. So we are use it with the milk. We are try them with the milk this time. So all you're gonna do, people, is you're gonna peel the soursop. Yes folks, as a child growing up, can remember soursop juice is always a must have on a Sunday, people, with the rice and peas. So you have a soursop now, you're just gonna pour your water and simple step. All you gotta do is just use your hand and you're just going to squeeze out the juice out of the soursop. So bear in mind, you don't want too much water, you just want the water to cover the soursop. So you get that nice rich soursop juice. You don't want it watered down. So all you gotta do right now, people, is just gonna go squeeze to get the juice out of the soursop. So yes folks, when I hear Jamaican talk about real natural juice, people, this is what we mean. No artificial, natural. Nothing will have a little water and a little bit of sugar, cause you don't need much sugar to sweeten your soursop juice, because the soursop have a little sweetish taste already. So you don't need, and then you're going to use the condensed milk, so you don't need much sugar. All we're gonna do right now, people, is we're gonna strain. Forget that. As we say, alright, you're gonna strain your soursop juice like 3 to 4 times. Yeah.
Oh, are you hearing me, bud? Drink some, man. Drink some.
People. And I buckle them, we're gonna try it now. Fingers crossed again. Wrong way, Papa. Again, it like you know one none again. Drink ya, Papa. Still having a mouth. Why ain't drink?
Yes, so I reach the end of our video. So I already know what to do. Remember, like, share, comment, subscribe. Please turn on the post notification bell, people.
Take a look at the